Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Fluent Academy. One of the most powerful ways to become fluent in English is to start thinking in English. But the big question is how? Today, I will share a step-by-step method that anyone, yes, even beginners, can follow to train their mind to think in English. Let's begin. Step number 1. Start with simple words. When you see a pankha, say fan in your mind. When you pick up pani, say water. Practice thinking of English words for everything around you. Chair, book, door, pani, pen, phone, and so on and so forth. Label everything around your home with sticky notes. It builds vocabulary automatically. Step number 2. Make mini sentences in your mind. Once you are comfortable with words, start forming small sentences in your head. For example, I'm eating. This is my bag. He is walking. I have to study now. These are easy present tense thoughts you can use throughout the day. Don't worry about your grammar. Step number 3. Talk to yourself in English, silently or loud. Stand in front of a mirror and describe your day. Example, today I woke up at 6 o'clock. I brushed my teeth, I made tea, then I came to class. This builds confidence and fluency like magic. Bonus tip, record your voice daily, listen back, and you will see your improvement. Step 4. Think in English while doing daily tasks. While walking, bathing, cooking, or even waiting for someone. Use that time to think in English. Example, I am cutting vegetables. I am walking to the market. It's very hot today. Train your brain to make English your default thought language. Step 5. Surround yourself with English. To think in English, brain needs English input. Watch English shows with subtitles, listen to English podcasts, and read simple English books. The more English you hear and read, the more English your brain will start thinking. Start with content that is interesting and simple, like cartoons, daily conversation, or short stories. Final tip, be patient but consistent. Your brain won't switch English overnight, but if you follow this step daily, just 15 to 30 minutes, you will start thinking in English faster than you imagine. Remember, consistency beats speed.